In today's world, almost every business, school, and organization needs a website. Websites are how people share information and connect with others online. That's where website development and maintenance come in. If you want to start a business offering these services, it can be a fun and profitable way to make money. Website development is the process of creating and building a website. This includes designing the site's layout, writing the code, and adding important features like contact forms or online shopping carts. It's also about making sure the site works well on all devices like computers and phones. Maintenance is what happens after the website is built. It's about keeping everything updated and fixing problems when they happen. Maintenance includes tasks like fixing broken links, updating images, and making sure the website is safe and secure. Build your own website first. Before you start offering services to others, build a website for yourself. This shows people what you can do. Add a portfolio of websites you've created, and make sure your site is easy to use and looks professional. This way, potential customers can see your skills. Ask for referrals. Tell your friends, family, and local businesses about your services. If they like your work, ask them to recommend you to others. Word of mouth can help you get your first few clients. Use social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn are great places to show off your work. Post pictures of websites you've made, share tips on design, and let people know how you can help. Social media helps people find you and learn about your services. Network with other businesses. You can also get clients by partnering with other local businesses like photographers, graphic designers, or marketing agencies. These businesses may need help with websites but don't offer that service themselves, so they might refer you to their clients. Create online ads. If you want to reach more people quickly, you can run ads online. Google and Facebook let you target ads to people who are looking for website development and maintenance services. How much you can charge depends on the type of website and how much work is needed. Here's a simple breakdown. Website development. A basic website with just a few pages could cost between $1,000 and $5,000. This includes designing, coding, and setting up the site. An e-commerce website with an online store might cost between $5,000 and $15,000, depending on how many products and features it has. Ongoing maintenance. After the website is finished, businesses usually need ongoing maintenance. You can charge a monthly fee or work on a project basis. Monthly maintenance fees might range from $100 to $1,000 a month, depending on how much work is needed. This could include things like updating software, adding new content, or fixing any problems that come up. For smaller tasks, like adding blog posts or changing contact information, you might charge $50 to $200 per hour. Retainer agreements. Some businesses prefer to pay a fixed amount every month for ongoing maintenance and updates. You could set up a retainer agreement where the client pays you a set fee each month for a certain number of hours. Let's say you build 2 websites per month and charge $2,500 for each one. That's $5,000 a month just from building websites. Then, if you have 10 clients paying $200 a month for maintenance, that's another $2,000 each month. So, in this example, you could be making $7,000 a month. As you gain more experience and more clients, you can raise your prices or offer additional services to earn even more. Starting a website, development and maintenance business can be a great way to make money. Whether you want to work full-time or part-time, with the right skills, good marketing, and a strong reputation, you can find clients and build a profitable business. Charging for website development and offering ongoing maintenance can give you a steady stream of income while helping businesses stay online and succeed. The most important thing is to always do your best work and build good relationships with your clients. Let's get started.